Good morning everyone. My name is Suman Chintala. I'm a research scholar in the stream of Environmental Engineering, Department of Civil Engineering, IIT Delhi. I've been here in this campus for the past 5 to 6 years. So I would like to tell how Blood Connect has been started way back in the year 2010. There is one BTech student called Nitin Garg who works actively with NSS IIT Delhi. Generally at that point of time, NSS used to organize some blood donation camps and beyond that, there are sometimes they used to call us whenever there is a blood requirement in case of emergencies. One such instance happened when Nitin Garg was in NSS. Some of his friends needs blood in emergency, and he took the initiative of finding donors for his friend's relative. He went to almost every door and pitched for donors and asked them to come and donate blood. At that instance, Nitin understood that there is a lot of potential among the Indian youth to donate blood, but what we need is a proper platform where we can enable the donors to come and donate blood, and on the other hand, it will enable us to fight with the shortage of the blood in different hospitals across the country. Thus, after that, Nitin has took an initiative to start something exclusively related to blood donation and the blood shortage in the country, and that's how Blood Connect has emerged. And I was a part of Blood Connect ever since Nitin Garg has initiated that.
Very small moments, there's no major incident that kind of motivated me per se, but the small moments that we get to see every day in this organization, where you kind of help out anyone in the helpline and they bless you with bless you and they help you out and they are happy that you help them out. So just going to a hospital, meeting them and just donating blood for them, all those moments, small moments on a monthly basis or on a yearly basis that we see that motivates us. The biggest motivation for a person is the experience here in terms of Blood Connect. And that's what we've always targeted. I think I spent a lot much money on this organization than take it back. So I think I must have spent about 1 lakh, 2 lakhs easily in Blood Connect till now.
In the recent days, I was talking to a girl who was repeatedly contacting me because her brother needed blood. And I asked, okay, I will try to arrange donors, because at that point of time there were holidays and most of the students were absent, and even I couldn't donate blood due to some reasons. I was trying donors for her, but as a part of it, things got delayed. In that delay, I came to know that that girl was actually missed her examinations in order to ensure that she should take care of her brother who was admitted in AIIMS hospital. And she said that, भैया अब नहीं तो अगले साल अपना पेपर दे दूँगा, तुझे अपने भाई की चिंता है, मेरे पेपर का चिंता है. There are people where we have been successful because we have cleared all the exams on time with all the support from our family and friends. What if we couldn't achieve better because when some things have gone wrong with our family members? It only means that blood shortage is indirectly affecting many people in different ways. So the only thing which I understood after that incident was that I'm not just helping somebody to give blood. We are just ensuring that a family is not suffering because of lack of blood. A family is not facing any crisis because somebody is on bed. There are many cases where the hospital people say that if you don't provide blood on time, you need to vacate the bed in the hospital, and we will allocate the bed to someone. And till the blood is arranged, that family is on the streets of Delhi, and they are waiting for someone to come and donate blood. Until that time, they are spending their own limited resources to feed their family members who came across with them. And as a result, it's much beyond that a requirement of a blood donor. Socially, economically, financially, psychologically, the person is under stress till the moment a blood donor is found. Then I understood that since there is no replacement for blood donation, only humanity humanity can help in this case. We all should try to be humans first rather than thinking about other things. So that situations, that things keep on motivating me to work for Blood Connect in spite of my busy schedule. I'll take out some time and at least find some donors, help go and attend some camps, pitch some people, and do whatever I can. In this way, I'm working with Blood Credit for the past few years, and I'll continue working with Blood Credit.